Hello friends, today we will going to discuss Rajasthan Mo Physiology questions, and I have covered all the questions from 2013 to 2022, and I have also discussed other subjects also, so you can watch those videos also. So let's start with the first question in physiology. First question is, the tidal volume is. So tidal volume is the amount of the air that is exchanged between the environment and the lungs during the normal expiration and inspiration. So the volume of tidal volume is 500 ml, and it is amount of the air that is exchanged between the um, lungs and the environment. Glomerular filtration rate is measured by. So options are creatinine clearance, pH clearance, water clearance, and sodium clearance. Among the following options, creatinine clearance is used for the glomerular filtration rate. But if we talk about the best method, then for best method is inulin clearance. But most commonly used is creatinine clearance. Now if we talk about pH, then pH is used for the renal plasma flow estimation. Now next question is, sodium potassium ATPase has a coupling ratio of. So we know that the sodium potassium ATPase, in sodium potassium ATPase, 3 sodium goes out and 2 potassium comes in. So they have a coupling ratio of 3:2. So answer will be option number D, 3:2. Next question is, factor increasing prolactin secretion includes all except. So from the option TRH help in the increase secretion of the prolactin. This is true. Phenothiazine also help in the prolactin secretion. Sleep will also increase prolactin, but glucose generally decrease the secretion of the prolactin. So answer will be option number D, glucose. Glucose decrease the prolactin secretion. Sperm fuses with the membrane of ovum by the help of. So there are 4 types of protein which are important for the sperm, or the factors are there. So for the fusion of the sperm with the membrane of the ovum, fertilin is important. So answer is option number A. Acrosin, which is present on acrosome, it help in the penetration of sperm into the ovum. Penetration of sperm into ovum. Next question is, principal peptide found in enteric nervous system includes all except. So galanin is present, this is true. GRP is present, this is again true. Cholecystokinin is present. Somatomedin is not present. Instead, somatostatin is present, but somatomedin is not present. It is related to the growth factors. So answer will be option number D. Action potential is produced by. So action potential is produced by sodium influx. This is not true. Sodium influx and potassium influx. Yes, both are involved in the action potential. Potassium influx, this is again false, and only potassium efflux, this is not true. So answer will be sodium influx and potassium efflux. Both are responsible for action potential. Next question is, tidal volume in adult. This is a repeated question, and again the answer is 500 ml. Contractile element of myofibrillase. So contractile element of myofibrillase. So among the given option, H band, sarcoplasma, sarcomere, and A line, answer will be sarcomere, which is the structural unit of the muscle spindles or the muscle fibers, and these are the contractile element, and sarcomere will have actin and myosin both. So answer will be sarcomere, it has actin. plus myosin. So which means it has thin and thick component, both are present in sarcomere. Ventricular repolarization in ECG is best seen in. So if we talk about ECG, then it has P, Q, RS and T. P, Q, RS and T. P represent atrial depolarization. QRS represent ventricular depolarization and T represent ventricular repolarization. So they are asking about ventricular repolarization, so answer will be T. T wave represent the ventricular repolarization. Which of the following act as a neurotransmitter inhibitor? So among the following, glutamate acts as is excitatory, GABA is inhibitory, aspartic acid is again excitatory, and lysine do not act as a neurotransmitter. So among the following option number B is correct, which is the inhibitory neurotransmitter. GABA is the inhibitory neurotransmitter. Glutamate is excitatory. Aspartic is also excitatory. And GABA is inhibitory. Now next question is distribution of water in the body fluid compartments. All are true except. So ECF is contained within the cell and it comprises of 2/3 of the total body water. This is true. ECF is outside the cell and comprises of 1/3 of the total body water. This is again true. Total body water, which accounts for 40 to 50% of the body weight. This is not true because total body water accounts for 60 to 70% of the body weight. And in general, total body water correlates inversely with the body fat. This is true. So answer will be option number C, that total body water accounts for 60 to 70% of the body water, not 40 to 50%. All are true for blood vessels except artery are thick walled structure with extensive development of the elastic tissue, smooth muscle and connective tissue. Yes, this is true. Arterioles are the site for least resistance to blood flow. No, this is not a correct option or correct statement, because arterioles are the site for the maximum resistance. The capillaries are thin-walled structure lined with the single layer of endothelial cells which surround the basal lamina. This is true. And the volume of blood contained in the veins is called as the unstaged volume. This is again a true statement. So among the following, statement number B or the option number B is incorrect. So answer will be option number B. Next question is, all statements are true except type 1 pneumocytes synthesize pulmonary surfactants. No, this is not true. It is type 2 pneumocyte which synthesizes the pulmonary surfactant. So answer here will be option number A. All statements are true except the cortex is the outer region located just under the kidney capsule. This is true. Medulla is central region. This is again true. Papilla is the innermost tip of the inner medulla and empties. This is true. Glomeruli of the juxtamedullary are smaller. This is not true. They are larger. So these are all the questions of physiology.